Healthy eating does not have to be complicated or hard to do. My name's Natalie, and I lost 87 pounds just by doing these three simple things. And you know what's better than making one healthy meal? Batch cooking it, because then you're not having to cook every day. The hardest part is trying to figure out how to batch cook a single recipe, but I've got you. I put together over 180 batch cooking recipes to make healthy eating deliciously easy. Not only are these recipes delicious, but they're easy to make. And look, I even put it in 1, 2, 3 steps. We've got sweet, we've got savory, and just some in between. And not only does this book have recipes, but I have sections just to inspire you. This is my Uncle Tim, which this book is inspired by him. I meal prep all his meals, and so far he's lost 20 pounds. Now that doesn't sound like much, but that's huge for someone the doctor said would never lose weight unless he had surgery. No surgery, lost 20 pounds. Timmy was diagnosed with Prader-Willi when he was born, and if you Google the life expectancy, only 12 people have lived over 50. Timmy's breaking records. He just celebrated his 55th birthday in February. And you can find his full story in here. Batch cooking gives you the freedom of not having to cook every single day, which is really nice. And with these simple recipes, cooking sugar and flour free will become deliciously easy. Don't just take my word for it. Look at all these reviews. Simple recipes you don't need a translator to understand. Simple ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. Packed with flavors you and your family will love. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today. WeightLossRecipesCookbook.com and start batch cooking like a pro.